Welcome back, my YouTube family. Here I am, back out here. And being a few days away from spring, I'm gonna say spring is here. As you can see, water is just everywhere. Things are smushy. Everybody's been enjoying the videos. How you guys doing? We got a real windy day out here today. And it's kind of chilly. Tom, representing your merch. That hat is working great out there, my friend. Really appreciate it. Oh yeah, that's right, guys. We'll represent your merch. Send it to that wood guy. We'll represent you here.
You just can't kill this thing.
Oh yeah.
Well, not only are we stacking up the mud, water, and obviously firewood, of course, we're stacking up F-350s. Oh boy, what's that wood guy got going on?
Alright there, my friends. So what's the story with the white truck? Everybody's kind of wondering, is it my new truck? No, it's not. I'm just doing a little bit of testing, playing with the new 6.7 diesels, wanting to see what they're all about. I still have my white 7.3, the old rust bucket, and that thing is serving me proud. That one owes me nothing. The new one would owe me a lot, obviously. I want to get everybody all excited, but you know, it's fun to play around. I honestly don't know what's going to be staying there and becoming a new family member. So I just wanted to share that quick and update you guys. It's not my truck. I was able to take it from the dealership, test it out for a few days, play with it, and they've been really great with that. My local West here Ford has been awesome working with them people up there. It's been just a joy for me to be able to play with one of the new Super Duties and see how I like it for that wood guy business. So just wanted to inform you guys, it's not my truck, but it's fun to play around, my friends.